Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to go to guys Redmi mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Redmi mobile guys power button to end call setting, how to use power button to end call, how to turn on power button to end call setting in Redmi mobile one by one and step by step. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon guys and like the video guys. So friends, in Redmi mobile how to use power button to end call setting. Open your phone setting. After phone setting, then scroll it and friends click here additional setting. After additional setting, accessibility setting, click here. After accessibility setting, here right side swipe, talk back, select to speak set, display size setting, color correction, color inversion setting. So it's power button and call setting is not here. So let's again swipe. Mono audio, friends, you want to adjust to mono audio, so right side you can increase your mono audio setting and left side you can decrease. You can adjust your audio balance, so turn off mono audio. Again when swipe, and friends you can see power button to end call setting here. You want to on power button to end call, click here. So friends, after on power button to end call, when your phone screen is on and guess any call come on your device, so then you can cut call with power button. Press power button and you can cut call in your Redmi mobile. And guys, you don't want to use Redmi mobile phone power button to end call setting, you can turn off power button to end call. And guys, you cannot cut call with power button in your Redmi mobile. And direct guys, you can find power button to end call setting. Search here power button, POWER and BU, power button to end call setting. Friends, click here. Direct friends, you can power button to end call and you can off from here. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.